to make chocolate refrigerator cake. This recipe is easy to make and great fun to do with children, so get them involved. It is a very simple recipe that requires no cooking, and I'll show you what ingredients that you will need. I have 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of raisins, 150 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of milk chocolate, 150 grams of golden syrup, and 250 grams of mashed up digestive biscuits. The first thing that you need to do is add your chocolates, all your butter, and your golden syrup. It's a little bit sticky, but it does come out. Okay. All you do next is pop it into the microwave for about 30 seconds at a time until the mixture is completely combined. As you can see, the mixture needs a little bit of a mix, so carefully just mix it together so all the ingredients have combined. What I've used is like a microwavable bowl. You can use ceramic, I'm using plastic. Right, what you do next, again very simple, add your raisins, the chopped digestives, and then fold it in. This is something you can get the kids involved in. The mixture only took about a minute in the microwave. Depending on how your strength of your microwave is, it might take a little bit less time or a little bit more. What I've done here is prepare a small tub to put into the fridge. I've lined it with cling film so the mixture can come out nice and easily. Once your mix is all together, pour it in. Making sure you have all the bits around the sides. And then using a spatula, just press it down as nice and firmly. So all the chocolate and the biscuits are a nice layer. All you do next is pop it into the fridge for about 2 hours until the mixture is nice and firm. And there you have it, nice and easy. Right, it's been about 2 hours now, been in the fridge, it's set nice and hard. I shall now take it out and then cut it up, and then you can see what it looks like. Nice and easily, all nice and solid. Upside down. Now, using a sharp knife or serrated one, to chop it up into the size portions that you'd like. And there we have it. Nice chocolate refrigerator cake. Then just chop it up into small cubes, or as big as you like. Pop it back into your tub and back into the fridge. and there you have it. Delicious chocolate refrigerator cake. Enjoy.